In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom Scheduler to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the official Zoom extension set up so you can schedule meetings straight from your browser and Google Calendar with just a click. First, open Google Chrome. We're going to the Chrome Web Store, which is the safe official place to get Chrome extensions. You can reach it by searching for Chrome Web Store in your address bar or by going directly from a bookmark if you already have it saved. Once you're on the store's homepage, you'll see a search box at the top. In that search box, type Zoom Scheduler. You can also try Zoom Chrome Extension if that's easier to remember. Look for the official Zoom Scheduler listing. A quick way to confirm you've got the right one is to check that it's published by Zoom and has the familiar Zoom camera icon. Taking a second to verify the publisher helps you avoid copycats. Click the Zoom Scheduler result to open its details page. Here, you'll see a quick overview of what it does and the permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation window will pop up asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome will handle the rest and install it right away. You'll know it's done when the Zoom camera icon appears near your address bar in the toolbar. Next, click that Zoom icon to sign in. You can use a Google account, your regular Zoom login, or SSO if your school or workplace uses single sign-on. Choose the option that matches your account. If you're using SSO, you'll be guided through your organization's sign-in page. Once you're signed in, the extension connects your Zoom account to your browser so it can add meetings for you. After installation and sign-in, here's what you'll notice. The Zoom camera icon stays in your Chrome toolbar for quick access. Inside Google Calendar, you'll see a one-click option to schedule Zoom meetings right from your event. When you add Zoom to an event, the extension automatically generates a Zoom meeting link and inserts it into the calendar invitation, so your attendees get everything they need without extra copying and pasting. That join link is unique to each meeting, keeping things organized and secure. That's all there is to it. You opened the Chrome Web Store, found the official Zoom Scheduler, added it to Chrome, signed in, and now you're ready to schedule Zoom meetings with a single click.